Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is Pharma 4.0. Let's start. What is Pharma 4.0? Pharma 4.0 is the application of Industry 4.0 principles to the pharmaceutical sector. It focuses on digitalized, connected, and intelligent manufacturing systems while maintaining strict regulatory compliance. Pharma 4.0 is built around four main ideas: automation and smart machines, data integrity and data-driven decisions, patient-centric and quality-focused manufacturing. The goal is not just faster production, but consistent quality, fewer errors, and better compliance. Why was Pharma 4.0 needed? Traditional pharma manufacturing relies heavily on manual processes, paper-based documentation, and isolated systems. This leads to human errors, data integrity issues, batch failures, regulatory observations. Regulatory agencies now strongly emphasize data integrity, traceability, and real-time control. Pharma 4.0 addresses these challenges by creating connected systems where data flows automatically and securely. Key technologies behind Pharma 4.0. Pharma 4.0 uses several advanced technologies, including automation, robotics, reduces human intervention and variability, manufacturing execution systems, MES, controls and records production in real time. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, predicts deviations, optimizes processes. Internet of Things, connects equipment and sensors for live monitoring. Digital twins, virtual models of manufacturing processes. Advanced analytics, supports continuous improvement and quality by design. These technologies work together to create smart pharma factories. How will Pharma 4.0 change your job? Pharma 4.0 will not eliminate jobs, but it will change job roles. Production professionals shift from manual operations to system monitoring, focus more on process understanding and optimization. Quality QA professionals, less paper review, more data review, greater involvement in data integrity and risk-based quality systems. Regulatory professionals, increased focus on electronic records, audit trails, and system validation. Engineers, IT professionals, higher demand for automation, CSV, data analytics, and system integration skills. Overall, the industry is moving from operator-based roles to knowledge-based roles, skills you need for the Pharma 4.0 era. To stay relevant in Pharma 4.0, professionals should develop skills such as understanding of automation and digital systems, knowledge of data integrity and compliance, basic awareness of AI, analytics, and smart manufacturing, strong problem-solving and cross-functional communication skills. Continuous learning will be the key to career growth.
Pharma 4.0 is not the future. It is already happening.
The global opportunities this technology provides are incredible.
And the career growth potential is unmatched.
I agree.
Understanding Pharma 4.0 today means securing your place in tomorrow's pharmaceutical industry.
If you like the information, then like, share, and subscribe Pharma Show.